Today, I'm going to show you how to access Epic on an iOS device so you can read online at home. First, you go to the App Store and you search for Epic. We're going to click Epic Kids Books and Reading, and we're going to download it. While we're waiting, let's look at some of its features. There's personalized reading for every age, interest, and reading level, over 40,000 books, videos, read-to-me's, and more. We're going to open the app. We're going to enter our class code to sign in. Our class code is LJX1804. We're going to click Go. Once we're in the class, we're going to add ourselves as a student. Artie. Epic will be available Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. Anytime you're outside of these hours, you'll need a parent's help signing in to an Epic free account. So here we're going to click Continue and enter our parent's email. Have your parent verify their email address and hit Continue. With Epic Free, you get 2 hours of free reading a week and access to select books. When you log in during school hours, you'll have unlimited reading and access to extra books. You're going to say OK, and you are ready to read. Happy reading!